Good afternoon to all of you. The agenda of today's lecture is Python variables. So what is Python variables? Python variable like a container which stores value inside data. For example, we have some box. This is like a Python variable. We store some vegetables inside box that are values. Means we store uh, data inside Python variable. That is a simple example of Python variable. So there are some rules that Python variable must follow. The Python variable name should contain mm, alphabet, numeric or underscore. It does not contain any special symbol or space. It starts with alphabet and underscore only. We can't start with any digit. For example, there are some examples for good naming convention for Python variable, like ram123 underscore abc, my underscore name underscore 123. Or there are some wrong naming convention for Python variable, like 123 ram. It should start with digit, so we can't follow. Second, ram space 123. It contains space, so we also can't use this. Third, my address is containing a special symbol, so we can't use this. Let's do some practical example. For practical example, we need to open CMD. Press window key and type CMD. Then click on open. Now type Python in CMD. Click on enter. We are inside the Python shell. Now type A equal to. This is like a Python variable. We can also use a single character for finding variable. Now we don't need to use any data type before variable. What is data type we will see in upcoming lecture. Now underscore abc equal to this. If when we are printing this, it will give us that value we have stored in it. Underscore abd. There are some good naming convention for Python, like hello 123 equal to 0.5 124. Now let's look some wrong naming convention for Python. It is containing space, so we can't use this invalid syntax because it is containing space. That is what is correct. This is correct naming convention, so we can follow this. 124. Now use some special symbol. That is wrong naming convention. So we will get wrong naming convention. So we must need to use like ram underscore. We can only use underscore as a special symbol, except underscore we can't use any special symbol.